Hi guys, you know me, I'm Jacob. So we have this octopus. Not help me open it. But let's see, we need to squeeze it like there's something inside. And it's hard, you need to squeeze it hard. See, I hear it. And I get my dad for Puppy, help! Ah! What's it? See? Where's the slime?
Let me see.
Look, aquí. Está. See?
Oh, you heard the noise?
And we got this. Wait. We see it wasn't here. Look, there's a treasure. We see it wasn't this treasure. Oh, we see it wasn't this treasure. No, wait. We see it wasn't this treasure first. Wait, look. There's a crab. Wait. We see there wasn't this treasure first. See, crab. Let's open it.
Okay.
Ew, look.
It's having a baby?
No, that's a hunter.
Okay, open it.
Ew, it has slime. Look, that's his ink. Ew, it has ink. Ew, look what I found.
Ooh. It's a frog.
No, it's Mr. Krabs.
Mr. Krabs.
See, it looks like him. Okay, we'll see. Now we need to squeeze. Oh, look, I ripped up. It's okay, we can put it like this.
Okay, let me see. Ooh.
That's the slime. Ugh, we need to get this orange. That's Mr. Krabs. Ooh.
Ooh. Okay. Ooh.
It's on fighting, Gosa. It's for fights. It's not sticky. Think it's not sticky. Wait, look. My dad! Stop it, Dad. Okay, my dad's crazy. He's ugly. Now he's bonito. He makes him mucho sopita, but he's bald. Okay. We'll just leave that part though.
Ooh.
In my camisa. But I'm gonna look at my dad for help. Bobby, help. Okay, my hands so disgusting.
Oh no.
Look.
Yes.
Hunter.
Ooh.
No. It's not. Look. It's just slime on him.
Oh.
I told you no.
Okay, show everybody what you got.
Okay.
On this alien. We got Mr. Krabs.
No, that's not Mr. Krabs. That's not Mr. Krabs.
Oh.
It's just that.
Okay.
Now I need to put this back.
Alright, say goodbye, guys.
No.
Show them what you got.
No, look. Let's see. Ew. And what's inside though? Wait, we need to put his head.
Okay, what you got?
No, we need to put his head.
Ooh, that's scary.
Look. Wait. And look, there's more stuff we need to show you. It's awesome. Look. Wait. Wait, there's something.
Okay, say goodbye.
No, look, there's something. And then look, we'll see the collectible. Look at who we got. Okay, so bye.
Okay, say
Bye.
goodbye, guys.
Look at
See you next video.
Okay, bye.
Say goodbye. See you next
Bye.
video.
Bye, the Treasure X aliens.
See you next video.
Okay, bye, the Treasure X aliens.